Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reset connection lines or connectors between your nodes and items on Lucidchart diagrams. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your diagram on Lucidchart. Let me go with this one here. And you can connect these elements like text box, shapes, sticky notes, charts, and so on and so forth using these connectors. Like for example, by clicking into one end of that element and by connecting the connector with the other element like this. Now you can customize these connection lines by left clicking into them and by, for example, clicking into these handles here and by moving them. So you can customize these or right click into the given connector and gain access to that editing menu here. Now if you have, for example, customized it using, for instance, I don't know, using some of these lines here or by changing the line width and so on and so forth, and now you'd like to return to the default setup or reset, simply right click into the given line, hover your mouse over more actions, or simply click into reset line here. That's it, and that is going to bring the connector back to the default setting here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.